Guess where we're at today? I am hot and dying and I have a headache. And Tyler's on the phone with his bank because we're broke. We're at OWA in Foley, Alabama. There's this ride as well. There's a bunch of other rides over there. And rides over there. We didn't bring our swimsuits, so we can't do the water park here. But we did get a refillable cup that will be worth our money. It was $14. And my makeup's starting to melt. He's so on the phone.
How do you go about fix that though? Because then obviously in addition
like a plane ride that they have here, and now I feel like sick, which sucks because we haven't gone on the roller coaster yet. I drove 2 hours to be here, and I have a headache and I feel sick, and I took Dramamine, so I don't know why I feel so bad. I feel super nauseous now. Anyway, he's going to the bathroom right now. So we figured out we were nauseous because we were hungry.
apparently.
Because he said that he was not hungry and that he ate a big breakfast and
I felt
he felt
like
nauseous.
I was full.
Another thing I realized is that we were just filling ourselves up with water and nothing else.
Absorbing the water and starting to actually make, yeah, that makes sense.
I feel a little bit better. I still feel kind of bad because I have a headache and it's hot outside, but
It's wet over here.
But I just went on the roller coaster. It's actually pretty fun. It was pretty violent. I have problems with my tailbone right now, so it kind of hurt my tailbone. But it's not their fault. They just need more padding on the back of your head. Anyways, I feel sick still, like doing like twisty things because my Dramamine wore off. Also, my headache never went away, so I think it might be just heat stress, which sucks. He's going to go on this ride. He's over there. I don't know if he knows I'm recording him. That's right. It doesn't stop either. You can just go down. Interesting hairstyle. I'm not making fun of him. It's just an interesting hairstyle. Honestly, I dig it. Oh, there he goes. Oh! There's a tree in the way. Let's try and see if I can get out the whole thing. What is he doing? For ya. Yeah. You know, I know. I'm not. I actually genuinely want to ride that ride. But a lot of the rides at OWA are very spinny. He looks very peaceful up there. I wonder if I can hold on. Here, I'll just oh no, they're slowing down. Yeah. He looks very peaceful. Oh, my phone's tracking him. This is my outfit. I thought something was wrong with my face. The amount of people who love to stare in this state. No. Nothing's wrong with my face. People just love staring. Like, okay, so we were walking to the roller coaster, this one for the second time because it's really fun. So we rode it twice so far. And this lady, now I could tell she was not neurodivergent. She just had that Karen vibe. She was waiting for her kids to get off, I could tell. But like, she stared at me and Tyler like the whole time we walked by. Like, she was just like, I was like, lady, what is your problem? I don't look that bad. Is it my skeleton tattoo? Because if you're jealous, thank you. Also, there are these two like country with a baby who literally keeps staring at me. Well, I'm gonna get them on camera. Yeah. So it's great. My hair is doing exactly what I want it to do always. I wish I could do this at work, but I can't. I can do something similar, but I can't make it too curly. I thought it was a different song. Another thing that I've noticed is that apparently my facial like features are becoming more and more like the norm and popular. Yeah. I'm literally alone. And those two people walking away like almost sat right there. I'm like, there's also a sauce on that. Nobody wants to sit there. Why are you being weird? I wish you would come back. Anyway, I don't know what else we're doing today. That's yours. We just ordered, so we had about 6 shots in total of moonshine. In total.
Never mind, you're right.
Because they gave us mini shots of 13 different things.
Yes.
But we got our favorite drink, so he got the Bloody Mary one.
It's sweet and spicy moonshine, though. Bloody Marys suck, and whoever likes them, you suck. But
Most old women.
Exactly. This Bloody Mary is very complex simply due to the inclusion of the spicy and sweet moonshine that they sell at Murder Creek right here in Foley, Alabama. This is fully an endorsement. Not a paid endorsement, but an endorsement. They're awesome.
And we get these cool cups, and I got the Orange Dream. What is it? Orange Dream?
Orange Dreamsicle.
Orange Dreamsicle moonshine with
cream
cream soda. This place kind of looks abandoned, not gonna lie. It's just being bombarded by this lifeguard. Hello.
Hello. Making a Snapchat post.
I thought that was a real person. Alright. I just look like a raccoon.
Huh?
I just look like a raccoon.
A very cute raccoon. Of legends in here. Or like some, no, that's Bruno Mars. Never mind. Oh. There's any stores you want to over here, and if not, then we'll head back.
Ooh!
Yummy.
Sour cream and onion though? Is that the only flavor there?
The rest are lard. Oh, wait.
Cheddar cheese. Is that the bacon and cheese?
Bacon
no,
and
I think sour cream and onion is good. But for all you Hello Kitty lovers out there, look at how cute this is. I am broke, so I can't buy this, but I would if I could. Oh, that's probably just tastes like the juice. That's awful. Oh my gosh, that's awful. I hate dressing, horchata, enchilada. Yeah, you've heard of this old man, huh? It's David, or the guy from Doctor Who. I be like, gum my rat eye.
I hate I hate you.
He doesn't know the meme.
I know the meme now that you've said it. I know.
You want a G-lie, B-lie, go my rat
Please shut up.
So we're at Valero in Ola as well, and we ordered cheesy bread. It's an Italian restaurant. Got service too.
Mm-hmm.
And iced coffee. I haven't tried it yet because my brain does like alcohol and everything.
Mine is pretty good. I like the French vanilla.
They gave me a breadstick. I'm happy. Pizza. I can't have any because I don't like what's on it though. My health app says I burned 1,000 calories walking. I don't know how accurate that is. We're gonna go get some Hershey's ice cream. Looks like it'd be on Main Street.
So yeah. Peanut butter, cookie dough, and caramel flavor.
I got birthday cake and a cake cone.